Hello there, how are you? Good to see you here. We are going to cover Gold Dust Woman by Fleetwood Mac today. Now, in order that we can play the whole thing by ourselves, we've basically changed around how the tuning of the guitar is and the parts a little bit, but you'll still hear the song. The first thing you need to do is detune your E string, this one, to a D. And everything else is regular. So that means when you play your D, you play a D sus2 like this with your second finger off, it's going to sound pretty awesome. Okay, it's got a common tuning, drop D tuning. So first things first, I'll come in a little bit so you can see a bit better. We're going to play an open D, and then we're going to strum the chord. So you're going to get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? And then what we're going to do is our second finger is going to play this note here, A sharp. This chord is a D augmented. Okay, so we're playing 1 and 2 and 3, or D with a sharp 5, however you want to call it. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? So that whole riff is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, now on the augmented bar, if we play 1 and then try and stop it, 1 and 1 and 1 and 2 and 3. And when you hit the second one, give it a little wobble. Sounds pretty cool. Okay, so we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so here's your riff. Right, then the verse starts. We got a D, and then we're going to play G with a B bass, which is basically 2 0 0. Leave your third finger behind. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we're going to put our second finger here on C on the A string, and then the B string, B note underneath. Okay, so that whole verse is da 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 da, C, B, D, B bass, C bass, B bass, chorus. We've got D, starts on a B flat major. So I'm playing just an A-shaped bar chord here. So we've got 1, 3, 3, 3, and 1 underneath if you like. So you can play your bar chord like that, like that. If you're feeling bar chords are a bit, you can play this. This isn't really a B flat major, but it's a B flat 6. Sneaky way of getting around the A-shaped bar chord situation. Okay, so we're going to play, then B, and then C, and then back to D. Okay, so you're going to get the last little thing, oh, there's two little things. No, I said the wobble already. The last thing I just did there at the end of the chorus, I went now, with my right hand, I pulled back. That's called a rake. We're just going to rake back. Now when we hit that last note, this one here, that's going to be the one of the bar, so that you get for maximum atmosphere, if you guess. Anyway, so that was how you play Gold Dust Woman by Fleetwood Mac. Check out my other videos. I've got a whole bunch of other stuff. I think I just did a Rhiannon the other day. That seems to ring. Check that out too. Maybe I'll put a link somewhere. If you can, please subscribe. And you know, any dollar donations are really, really welcome. So I will see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye for now.